Now, you might be wondering if Wealthy Affiliate can be overwhelming for a complete beginner, and the honest answer is yes, it can. But that's just because there's so much education, there's so many tools and things that you learn about inside Wealthy Affiliate that some people will inevitably feel overwhelmed. But I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. It just means that there's so much content for you to consume and learn from. And I don't know about you, but if I was, spending my time and effort on education platform where I'm trying to learn and set up a business, I'd rather have more information than less information. So I hope that answers your question. Now, if you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, no credit card required, you can use the link in the description. Now, a follow up question that you might have is if Wealthy Affiliate is actually good for beginners. So, I've already explained that it can be overwhelming for some people, but click this video showing up on your screen and I'll tell you my general opinion on if Wealthy Affiliate is a good training platform for complete beginners.